been a minute. Alright, God bless you guys. Welcome back to the channel. So today, I'm gonna be doing a very important upgrade. We're gonna be upgrading our desk. And we're gonna be upgrading to something more premium. And also I want something that could tolerate all the weight that I put on my desk. So it was really awesome and pretty good timing that Desky contacted me, and I just wanted to try out their hardwood L-shaped desk and a few other accessories. I just want to try something new. But without further delay, guys, this is David with Side of Tech, your casual nerd. Let's go ahead and check it all out. Tearing down the old setup, not fun. The whole process took about 4 hours, and to say the least, I was exhausted. The great thing about tearing down a setup though is that you get to start fresh. After it was all said and done though, we have a blank canvas. Today I'm assembling the Desky L-shaped hardwood desk. To set up everything, I use a combination of the YouTube video and also the written instructions. Everything was really clear and concise, so assembly took about an hour and a half. Screwing down some screws, getting the legs on the tabletop, and just take a look at that walnut hardwood. Jeez. After putting the L part on top of the desk and testing if the desk worked, safe to say, I'm in love with it. Putting everything back together allowed me to rearrange some things that I've always wanted to do. For the productivity setup, I trimmed everything down. And for the gaming setup, I got rid of some of the extra lighting that I didn't need. Thankfully, the cable management of this desk is top tier. It really allowed me to have a super clean look. Now that we have everything up and running, let's talk about the build quality. As mentioned before, this is Desky's hardwood desk in walnut. It comes in at about 1 inch thick and feels really premium. The build quality and the features are one of my favorite aspects of this desk, and the clear top coat that they use is buttery smooth. The weight of the desk comes in at about 115 pounds, so it's pretty heavy, and when setting up, just make sure you have some help. The good thing is the quality of the hardwood coupled with the steel frame allows for the desk to have a 440 pound weight capacity, more than enough to support all your desk products. Thankfully, the under the desk drawer and the monitor stand also share the same type of quality. The desk drawer is sleek, minimal, and designed for added storage, while the monitor stand has perfect ergonomic height and can also be used for extra storage on top or below, which is a perfect spot to put my dock and audio interface. Needless to say, these two desk accessories add a lot to the experience. Another mandatory accessory is the cable management system. It's one of the most robust and well thought out aspects of the desk. It really helps keep everything tidy. And if you get the optional surge protectors, they integrate right into the cable management system. A lot of other desks offer this feature, but this is seriously the one that stood out to me. Adding onto the list of features is the Bluetooth controller. Most other products come with a controller that can adjust height, have memory settings, etc. This one connects via Bluetooth, and it also allows Siri integration within the desk. You have a few basic commands like raise and lower. There's more obviously, but these are the main ones you're going to be using. Safe to say this desk is chock full of features, and it's my favorite part. Next, let's talk about the stability and the performance. Here is where we get technical. I found out that the desk was able to achieve really good heights, the lowest being 23.6 inches, while the highest was 49.2 inches. And at those heights, everything is stable, whether that's typing, gaming, you name it. The motor is nice and smooth when transitioning from different heights. It moves at about 1.4 inches per second, a perfect balance between speed and holy crap, this is going too fast. And for those accidental moments, the desk has got you covered. It comes with a collision detection system, and it works really well. You can even customize it in the app. The performance of this desk is top notch, and at a 440.9 pound weight capacity, I don't think there's too much you need to worry about. With that being said, let's talk about some pros and cons. guys, I've gone over the assembly, build quality, performance. Now let's talk about pros and cons of the desk. If you're looking for quality wood, hardwood is definitely the way to go. And I feel like Desky really provides that premium look. And when I was putting everything together, you could just feel it. Another pro is the weight capacity. So at about 450 pounds weight capacity, but that can support an average human being and just everything that lives on your desk. It's really good assurance to know that that weight capacity is just as high as possible. Another pro about the L-shaped desk is there's just so much real estate. And as you can see in the background, I have two setups, a gaming setup and a productivity setup, and this desk just handles it perfectly. Another pro is the motor. This is definitely one of the smoothest desks that I've ever used, and I've used a lot of them. The sound of it is not like ear grating to you, and also it moves at a really decent speed. So really this desk is perfect for everybody. Specifically in my case as a creator and also a gamer, I can imagine that this desk is like the holy grail. And not to mention the cable management system that Desky came up with, it's honestly one of the best I've seen. Yeah, I think every kind of desk setup needs something like that. Another good pro is the amount of options that Desky has for their desks. You can go all out and get something like this, or you can go as minimal as possible and reduce the cost, and they just got everything for your budget. Now, as far as the cons go, there's not too many. I will say if you do go with the hardwood option, it's a really heavy desk. Thankfully, I've been hitting that gym, so the weight factor wasn't too much of a problem, but I can really see some people struggling when it comes to the heaviness of this kind of desk. And again, thankfully, Desky does have multiple options, so you don't necessarily have to get hardwood, but it's something that I do want to mention. And the other con that I came up with was the cable management system. Although it was really great, there wasn't an option to put it on the L side of my desk setup. So I had to kind of harvest the last one that I had and put it onto that side. But this is really subjective, especially if you only have one setup. Obviously you're gonna have all your cables and stuff all on the main side, but it would be cool if Desky were to introduce a product to add on to the L-shaped side. So guys, the final verdict of the desk setup. If you guys don't know my ratings, they're buy at full price, try it out, wait for a sale, or pass. For the Desky L-shaped hardwood desk, I'm gonna give it 100% buy at full price. This desk, for the price and the amount of features and the longevity of the product that can last you 5+ years, it's like investing into a really nice chair or like a really nice mattress. It's one of those things that you spend so much time on that if you splurge and you get the highest quality that you can get, it's one of those things that you're not gonna regret. Desky also has a pretty good return policy, so if anything, you guys can also change the rating to try it out. They have a 30-day return window, so. But yeah guys, what did you guys think about my review of the Desky L-shaped hardwood desk? Let me know down in the comments below all your opinions. I'm really interested to see what you guys think about a premium product like this. But with all that being said, you guys, this was David serving you a little side of tech, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless you guys.